Hello everyone, welcome. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. This one here is a custom bass D drone tuned to 432 Hz that I have for sale today. This one here will be offered on our web store, and I'll leave the link below to where you can just click on that link and you can purchase this beautiful flute here. This flute here has a wonderful voice, folks. It's not only beautiful, it has a wonderful voice and it's very responsive. It has been produced with cherry wood, which is a hardwood, and as I've said in the past, this drone has not been split like everyone else's drone double flutes. I managed to, on the flute sides, they have been completely bored out using a gun drill. The wood has not been split, and I just wanted to make my flutes different than everyone else. This one here is a 9-hole, as you can tell, and you can do many different things with it. You can play it many different ways. You just have to, you can move the leather around and find out what sounds best for you. But you can play it many different ways. And this one here, I've actually put my eagle fetishes with turquoise eyes on it, because I've engraved a beautiful native lady on the bottom, and she has an eagle. Like the eagle is like hugging her. The eagle, I'm gonna just say the eagle is hugging her. I thought it came out beautiful, folks. This is a beautiful piece of art. Beautiful. Let's just see what it looks like, if I can back it up. Beautiful, folks. I have it very easy on the mouth. You won't have any troubles getting both holes in your mouth. You won't have to kill yourself trying to spread your mouth really far out. And it's, like I said, it's been bored out using a 1 1/8 of an inch gun drill bit. Has an oil finish. Beautiful, beautiful piece of wood. Beautiful, folks. On the bottom, you will see jdflutes Special Series D 432 Hz. Right on the bottom. Now, if you bear with me, I'll do a very short sound sample. At first, what I'm going to do is slide all of the leather down to cover up all the holes, and I'll let you hear what it sounds like that first. See, I got all the holes covered on the right hand side. Bass D 432 Hz. I'm going to pull just one piece down. To hear what it sounds like. Like I said, you just have to play with it. Play both holes. I messed up. Messed up big time on that one. God, that bottom hole to me is a hard hole to play. I messed that one all up, folks. See, I even make mistakes. Everybody's human. Alright, I'm going to open up 2 holes. Play both barrels together. Okay, you can do a bit more than that, but I'm trying to do a short video. Okay, I'm going to open up all of the finger holes. Okay, now you got all of them open up. All 9 holes. Just taking, play it like this here, folks. Both drones, both flutes. Play it many different ways. But I'm going to close them all the way back open, closed again. This way you can hear it one more time. Okay, that's the easiest way to play it. Okay. also if you do a hard tonguing at the top, like that there, it'll jump to a high octave if you play the drone side. And that's what's so cool about this flute. You can play a low octave and also a high octave at the top. But if you would like to have this one here, like I said, I'll leave the link below this video. And I have it on sale, folks, with free worldwide shipping today. And just let me know what you think. Leave your comments below. And you won't go wrong. Look at that beautiful art, folks. You won't go wrong with this flute. It's beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have fun, folks, and enjoy life.